My dear students, we had very important lessons on pronunciation day before yesterday. So I am taking a very important point today also, that is handwriting. And I have developed few structures in handwriting, and they are very important. If you learn them, only 26 letters you can learn to form very soon and develop your beautiful handwriting. I remember all those students who have been my students in the past. They are remembering still those days, and they're at their posting and jobs, even they are known among their colleagues that they have beautiful handwriting. You will be benefited in your studies with this handwriting part. These are vacation days. Utilize them for handwriting. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel PS Khimta. Thank you. Handwriting is the topic of the today, and this is very important that we should learn some structure. The first structure is curve. This is for all the languages in the entire world. Of any language that we need a curve. I am going to form these curve. See here, like this. This is the way of forming curve. After this we'll form curve letters. So we can go anti-clockwise for practice and strengthening the muscles of finger. This is very important in making beautiful hand. So after this you go again like this, form a beautiful curve so that your letter comes very beautiful after this. Now you see, this is, I am going to form a letter A. This is B. C is there, D, E. This is G. This is Q. This is O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters you have formed just because of these curves. Out of these curves. See here, A, B, C, D, E, G, Q, O. This is a way to go. We'll go in the next lesson with detail about this. First of all, let us go to the second part, is stroke. Now what are strokes? Very simple. You put vertical lines like this. This is the way. After a lot of practice you can put very straight lines, and they will help you a lot in making the letters beautifully written. After this you will find that this stroke, if joined, I always say letter with loop. What is a loop? Loop means something hanging. I doesn't need anything, but J, see, this is straight line and this is loop side. This is straight line, this is loop, meaning thereby something is hanging. I, J, K, L. This is again loop. Then go for H. Then go for P. We have F also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, we have T also. So these are also 8 letters. You very simply can see that these are the letters out of which creating all this. K, H, T, P, F. Out of these letters we are creating these. So 8, 16 letters with 2 strokes only will be taking. After this, zigzag. Now third one is zigzag letters. Zigzag letters. Zigzag is a very simple. Small children love to draw like this. This should keep on going for a long period of time in small age, like this. If you go like this, you will form M. See here, this is M. This is N. You go, this is V. See here, V. and similarly you will find here U also. This is W also. See, this is W. 5 letters are formed: M, N, V, U, W. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. They all are formed: M, N, V, U, W. See, these 5 are formed out of these zigzag letters. So this practice in early days of children is very essential to strengthen their muscles of finger, and go with this way. This is nothing to do with any kind of handwriting, but you will find that how they will soon be able to form their shape. Then we have 2 more letters, R and S. I always form these letters with the help of angle. This is 90-degree angle and this is 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle. Just go like this, and from here just take a turn like this. This is, you go practice, do like this. Children love to form letters like this. Very good way of doing practice. I simply say, see, this is the structure for S. From here if you take turn, this becomes R. So for R and S we have got one structure. So 2, 8, 8, 16, 5, 21 and 2, 23. There are 3 letters. This is curve, this is curve, and this is anti-clockwise. So if you form this, this becomes X. 2 more letters, they are formed like this, Y. This is a stroke. Take a turn as we have taken in J, like this, and this is another stroke with these 2 strokes and 1 loop like we have in J. This is Y and this is Z. So this is all 26. I'll make a 1 more line here. I call it combination of letters. We'll be taking it in the next lesson. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel PS Khimta. Thank you very much.